Okay, hello guys. Today we're gonna 1v1 my brother. And Loki is kind of cracked. But it's a knife only. And I'm Loki trash with the bloody knife. Why is my auto shoot working? Yes! 11-year-old man of hitting a backstab on his big brother. Loki, both of us are actually trash. By the way, please gift us. There is a giveaway at 10 subscribers. One legendary key bundle to someone that comments a username and I just got put into a club. Yeah, so I can't just be dirty doing like that. Yo, bro, what do you have to say about this? I just keep mocking him with that emote. He doesn't have it.
Oh, imagine.
Oh my brother, bro, we are on our phone pics and he's just like, oh brother. But he knows he's cooked. Loki, bro, if those just hit. Oh my gosh, my auto shoot just did not work, but I just still managed to do that. And by the way, guys, no, I did not buy the med bundles. Some other pay-to-win guy just bloody gave it. Okay, bro, it's just. Lil bro just got cooked. Yo, lil bro, you just got clipped. Man, does it look like any single body here scares, little bro?
Watch this comeback.
Yeah, comeback of me clipping you. Oh yeah, what comeback, little bro? What comeback? Okay, guys, so now this is gonna be our last 1v1. These are his stats. Okay, so only about we are only gonna use pay-to-win loadouts. You're not banned. If I swear, if this guy bans energy okay, nah, we going this side, brother. Nah, bro, we go this side. That's why you don't have this emote. Okay, bro, so pay-to-win loadouts only. Let's go dogs. Pay-to-win. And by the way, sniper is not pay-to-win. Sniper is far from pay-to-win. Now this is gotta be pay-to-win. I do not know what he has. Guys, should I be toxic? Yo! Okay, bro, so he wants to start using my gun. Wait, I hit him. No, there's no way he could have expected that way. Battle Axe is pay-to-win, guys. Comment it down below, guys. Battle This battle axe is pay to win. Yo, what the hell? What the? What is even that? Nah. Bro, okay, fine. I'll switch it because he said it's not pay to win. You guys have to tell me that this has to be pay to bloody win. Yo, what's up, lol, bro? What's up? Is this pay to win? This has to be pay to win, right? Like, but he's also on the sword. Yo, what's up? Yo, not hitting that today. Not today. 5-0. Okay. I think we should do one more, but this time it is oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh yeah. But this time it's matching only, so you're only allowed to match your loadouts. This loadout of me clearly matches. It's a 2 energies. Yeah, this has to be pay to win. This is very much pay to win, but it matches. I wonder what he took. If he took flamethrower and flyer. Oh, he took burst. Bro, he's calling me a spammer. Okay, now I'm gonna use an even more annoying one. Oh, now he's got the flame loadout. Wait, medkit doesn't match with this loadout. What's up? My aim is so bad. My aim is so bad. My aim so bad. My aim so bad. My aim so bad. But I still managed to cooking. Nah. No, I gotta switch. No. Oh my bro. I'm using the launchers. This loadout has 0 aura. I gotta do this for slingshot, boy. You're not doing a medkit. For slingshot, boy. Already. You know what? I'm going in for the same thing as him. I'm going in with the flame. Wow, why does it sound like a house? That flame should keep him. Nah, guys, nah, I feel too bad. Nah, I feel too bad. What loadout matches with that? He's got the freeze loadout. Oh hell no! Guys, help me play, guys, but bloody. Okay, another 5-0. Okay, boys, guys, and let us know what we should do next. Bye, and shout out to Slingshot Boy. Bye.